Hello, today I'll be showing you how to install CasaOS. Go to https://etcher.balena.io and click the green button, Download Etcher. After, you can open up the newly downloaded application, select Flash from URL, then go to this website here and copy the link address of AMD 64. Don't worry, it works with Intel. Go back to Etcher and paste the link of AMD 64. Click OK. Select the target USB key you want to use as the installation media. And now you can flash it. Once it's done, unplug the installation media and plug it into the device you want to use as a server and turn it on. Make sure you boot from the installation device. You can do this from the BIOS. Save and reboot the device. You can go ahead and click Enter on Graphical Install. Select the language, location and keyboard layout. Now I'm going to skip some parts because it's going to take a while for me, but don't worry, I'll only skip it if it's just loading stuff. For all the names I'm going to go with local, and for the passwords too, but you can put anything you want. Select your time zone. I'm going to select Use Entire Disk just because it's easier. Then choose the drive you will have Debian installed on. Choose the All Files in one partition and finish partitioning and write changes to disk. Select Yes. Configure the mirror country, press enter on deb.debian.org. Ignore the next part, just press enter again. Press enter on no. Deselect desktop environment, GNOME and select SSH server, and then continue after wait a bit for the installation. And we are almost done. Press enter. Be sure to remove the USB key you used to install Debian. The device will then reboot into a terminal. And now we are close to the end. Just put in your username and press enter. After, type your password and press enter. Type SU and press enter, put in your password, then type apt install curl. Type Y and you can press enter. Now type in what I'm typing and enter. Only 2 more steps left. Here we have a local IP address. Go to that address on an internet browser on your network and type it, then press enter and you will be on CasaOS. All that's left is to create an account, and that's how to install and set up CasaOS in 5 minutes.